Welcome back to a new episode of Jimmy Has No Garage. In 2019, I had an accident and my bumper and the front end was damaged, so I had to fix it and bought a new bumper. I didn't paint the bumper right away because at the meantime I was also doing other work such as putting on the side skirt and a rear diffuser. I drove the car in this condition for almost 8 months. Coming back from my first track day at Apple Valley Speedway, my whole front end was damaged, and I figured it was finally time for me to start working on the bumper.
Hey Hector， 收下呢一個前面，咁因為咧你可以見到咧，已經係凹咗落去㗎啦。咁我就想攞條柱，架車倒後就掹，就將呢度掹出嚟多啲。Yeah， 你睇下，絕對係 work 咗嘅，好開心啊！嗱呢邊而家咧多過呢邊嘅，係右邊要掹多啲，掹多啲咁多。黐個膠紙喺度啦，咁就掹嘅時候就掹喺上面。呢啲早啲揾到好啊！如果唔係你整完咧，裝上去第一下佢就裂開㗎啦。睇下呢啲細窿，全部咧早啲見到好過遲啲見到啊！真係，哇！睇下幾大個窿。好啦，跟住咧肉眼睇到嘅呢啲裂痕咧，就想全部開晒佢，因為你要建造之前咧，你要先將所有嘢拆位。如果唔係咧，你喺上面冚完之後，跟住個底繼續喺度裂咧，咁佢都係會裂翻出嚟嘅啫。整嘅過程永遠都係好醜陋同埋好多粉好污糟嘅。搞咁大壇嘢，一切嘅原因咧都係因為想咧用翻原廠嗰一條夾住嗰條嘢咧，啱啱 show 俾你睇嗰條鐵。放上車度 check 咗 check 咧，就呢邊咧要再斜翻落去嗰邊，你見到咧而家呢邊突出嚟呢邊。咁我想條線咧係打直咁落去，咁即係要呢邊要剃多啲。而家就嚟搞呢條邊啦，咁咧將個 fender 呢度咧就黐啲膠紙保護住佢，跟住咧放翻個泵把上去，將條罅抿咗佢。
You should go now. Run. No, I won't leave you here. We can run together. Listen, if we run together.
乾咗就成個掹出嚟，就係咁樣嘅。佢就完全唔會黐住啲膠紙，咁而你睇到後面咧貼貼服服嘅，咁我沿住呢度切。 當然要再 cut 多啲咧，咁但係我要保守啲嘅，如果唔係我 cut 多咗，咁我要再問多次。另一邊係咪啊？呢度仲係入面仲有少少可以俾我剃嘅，未剃。This is gonna be great. Look, 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 look. 差少少，上面呢度。而家呢條 gap 咧就整得靚啲啦，咁但係咧，如果你喺側邊睇嘅話咧，你會睇到咧，其實前面呢度咧，佢其實係唔係咁樣嘅，佢係咁樣嘅，咁就唔係好靚啦。咁所以咧，我而家就想呢度咁樣省到去鞋手啦，跟住咧就補一陣 Bondo Glass 喺呢度，等佢有啲 material 可以拱起，俾我慢慢將呢成個嘢省到去咁樣，而唔係咁樣。琴日揾完一陣之後，覺得都係唔夠厚，有啲位，跟住咧就用晒嗰啱嘢。今日買咗啱新嘅，就再補過。咁今次咧就諗咗個辦法，攞咗以前啲舊嘅卡片啊，咁而家就4張一沓，咁樣咧就攝入去整條罅。咁可以揾嘅時候就啱啱好就一條四張卡紙咁厚嘅罅喺入面，咁就 very good 啦。為咗貫徹我呢個玩都要玩得認真嘅精神呢，我就想呢喺呢個窿度呢加一個 brake duct 啊，即係呢個剎車嘅散熱。淘寶上面買咗2嚿呢個入風嘅口，咁就睇下點樣可以放喺呢度上面。咁我諗主要嘅問題呢，就係我點樣將呢個 brake duct 去踎落去，因為我想 keep 翻呢個鐵絲網，我想有鐵絲網，跟住又有呢個 brake duct。咁我諗到最簡單嘅辦法就係咧喺呢個 brake duct 上面轉4個窿，1、2、3、4，跟住咧索帶攞一條，跟住攞一條索帶穿翻起4隻角，咁呢2個咪連埋咗咁樣啦。咁跟住就再勾翻落去個泵把上面。